Hi there, Matthew Breitenbach at Alta Fiber at our Kenwood store doing a pretty cool unboxing of some new devices and some old devices. We've got our Xbox X here in a Logitech cloud gaming system that you can play all your favorite Xbox games off of. So I'm excited. This is brand new. We just got this one in. We've carried the Xbox X. Well, let's unbox both and see what we got in here. All right. Pretty well packaged. A lot of styrofoam, so you can kick this down the street. We've got our device right here, the Xbox X. Now keep in mind too, we are actually going to be giving away a bundle device of this Xbox X as well as the Logitech. So here is the Xbox X. Got your HDMI cord, plugs into the back of the device right here, goes to your TV. Got some directions. You got your power cord, plugs in right there. We've got our remote controller. Most of them come with just one, but you can buy additional if you wanted to play. So we've got the remote control right here, as well as some batteries. You can buy other ones that have remote or rechargeability, which is nice. You don't have to change the batteries, but pretty simple. It's a pretty heavy device, pretty slick. For those of you that play Xbox, this is not the digital version. This is the disc version, so you can play both any of your discs, or if you have anything in your Xbox account, you can log in and play those as well. This device here, I'm really excited to open up. So a lot of people like to play on the go now, and this device here is a pretty affordable device that you can play. For those of you that play Xbox, the Xbox cloud gaming system. And of course, they like to put the most ridiculous tape on here. I'm just going to rip this apart real quick. And we're back. So this is, like I said, the Logitech G Cloud Gaming System. It's a handheld. Feels pretty comfortable in your hands. It's got, your hands kind of fit there like a joystick. It's got a nice screen, as you can see. You can play all of your games. All you need is really a great Wi-Fi connection, which again is why Alta Fiber is important. If you're playing at home, making sure you have a good, strong wireless signal so you can play your games. As far as what's in the box here, you've got a USB to USB-C that you can plug in and charge it. And then it's got a little cloth in here that you can clean the screen with anything that you have. Again, brand new device that we just got for the holiday season. You can play any of your games. You don't have to buy an Xbox to get this device. You can absolutely buy this independent and play any of your Xbox games from your Microsoft account. We're going to be giving one of these away. Stop by a store. We've got a bunch of deals going on, not just for Black Friday, but in general. We've got up to $300 in gift cards if you switch over. For those of you, for some reason, are not Alta Fiber customers, the 2 or 3 that are out there, stop in and see us this holiday season. Make sure you get all the great devices.